Welcome to all the MSc students. Now today we will discuss about the insect pest. Now definition about the insect pest. It is defined as a large number of insect species are adapted to feed over a variety of plants and animals, thusly causing severe damage to our economy and even to the livestock and public health. The pests causing damage to the agricultural crops, domestic animals, and public health are broadly classified into the agricultural, veterinary, and medical pests, respectively. Similarly, some insects are evolved as the stored grain pest, household pest. Now, in origin of insect. Insects are basically harmless creatures, but whenever their uh, population reaction critical level, they become serious pest causing heavy damage. There are several reasons for the origin of pest, such as change from monoculture to mixed culture causes polyphagy among the pest, in intensification of agriculture or change from discontinuous to continuous cropping inviting increase in the pest intensity. Creation of new soil inviting exotic pest in the cropping area. Destruction of wild plants and forest causing removal of isolation from the adjacent area. Induction of new plantation bringing with the new pest from one area to another. Repeated cropping throughout the year maintaining continuity of the pest generation. Now, a removal of geographical barriers like hills, water bodies, barren lands, etc. helps in the spreading the pest. Loss of predaceous animal and birds causing loss of natural check. Loss of predaceous animal and birds causing loss of natural check on a pest population. Use of nitrogenous fertilizer more forever to the pest. Cultivation of high yielding varieties making more susceptible to the pest, and these are the reason of the pest population. Now classification of pest. Now according to the Smith and Birch 1967 classified the pest into four types. Key pest. One of the key pest usually remains above economic level, for example, cotton bollworms. Second one, occasional pest, environmental balance, disturb the population increase above the economic level, for example, aphids. Migrant pest, non-residential periodical, for example, locust, armyworms. And last one, potential pest, they cause no significant damage under the condition in ecosystem, for example, leaf roller. Now, according to the surface feeder, pests are classified into four categories. Polyphagous. Now, polyphagous it means that the variety of plants or crops are fed by the pest. And which are these? The first one is the termite feeds on crops, sugarcane, wheat, groundnut, maize, paddy, cabbage, etc. Locust feed on all the types of the crops. Hairy caterpillar feeds also crop like wheat, pulses, sorghum, etc. Gram pod borer feeds on maize, ragi, bajra, become pod borer of gram, also castor of soy, oil seeds. The mealywort also feed on grape, jackfruit, citrus, pomegranate, etc. Now, surface feeder, defoliators, nymph, larvae, and adults of Coleoptera are feeds on the ground level shoots of crops. Leaf roller. Some caterpillars feeds on leaf of crop and roll into the leaf for the pupation, for example, cotton leaf roller. Plant sap suckers, they are feeds on the leaf stem of the crop like onion, groundnuts, vegetables, etc. Fruit sucking moths. They are suck the juice of ripened fruit of citrus, orange, guava, etc. Now, surface feeder, these are the harmful. Next one is the internal feeders. Now, internal feeders, it means that the pests which are get entry into the fruit, stem, shoot, bud, flower, ball, seed, etc. Stem borers, for example, Chiloparticius, maize borer, cotton bollworms, Aries vitella, cotton bollworm, root borers living under the soil, for example, sugarcane borer, Pyralidae, pod borers in the pulses, gram, for example, X-listers, atomosa, fruit borers, fruit borers like mango fruit borer, pomegranate brinjal, etc. Leaf miners, larvae of few species of Coleoptera, Diptera, for example, groundnut, pea, citrus, etc., which are mostly feed on the leaf of that crop. Now, pest control. Now, according to that type of the pest, we have to also need to control the pest, and there are a number of practices employed to the control of pest. The losses caused by the various insects throughout the world are just beyond our immigration. As per the recent statistical analysis, India can produce 250 million tons of food grains per annum. But in fact, the present production is of about 130 million tons lost due to the insect pest and about 500 crore rupees lost. That is the 10% of our national economy per year. For the help of various methods we can employ to control the pest, such as primary control, that is nothing but the revolution in the agricultural production. Chemical control, use of number of pesticide and insecticide to control the pest. Biological control, alternative pest control measures, that is nothing but the to introduce the pest to introduce the insect or the that type of the predators into the area of the agricultural, and then we control the pest. Heterocidal control, that is nothing but the sterilization of insect for population. Now sterilization is one of the expensive method, but it is a very important, because of that we can't be died or kill the insect, but we are control the population of the that pest with using the sterilization. Integrated pest management, it means that we have to develop the integral plants or internal plants or internal crop in the main crop, and then this crop which is not utilized for our economy, and therefore such type of the practices is called as the integral pest management. Thank you very much where to attend this lecture. Thank you.